not be sipping margaritas on a beach yet. But today I'm trying on some vacation dresses from Shein that might just bring the heat. And as always, there's someone who likes and doesn't like the dress, so I'm going to read 5 and 1-star reviews. Let's buckle up, it's dress time! Let's see which dresses are hot or not. Oops. Let's open it up. All right, I guess it's going to be fun. Let's get into the first dress. Okay, I love all the blues. This is like a blue lagoon, you know? Blue lagoon. So far, so good. Doesn't seem nor look to be cheap. Here we have women. Okay, I'm not gonna read the whole titles because Shein titles, they're literally just some keywords. Anyway, this dress comes in only one color, this beautiful blue color. Only 46 people purchased the dress, but it has a good rating so far, 4.86. First, let's start with something positive. So someone who left 5 stars for the dress says, perfect, just as described. Lovely. And then there's someone who didn't really like the dress and says, completely the wrong dress that turned up. It's even got pink flowers on it. Yeah, that's when you roll the dice on online shopping and then you get surprise. But I did get myself the right dress, I guess. I really cannot wait to put her on and see how she looks. So let's go ahead and see if this dress is hot or not. All right, are you ready for the first dress? Ta-da! And yet here we have the first dress. And yes, I decided to get myself a stick for the microphone because I used to keep it too close to my mouth and shout at it. I feel a little bit silly, but maybe this will help. I don't know, I'll just try this for this video. So let's focus on the dress. Here's the front, the side, and the back. What do we think? First of all, I must say, it was very easy to put her on. Second, the fabric is like really stretchy, which is a huge pro. It is a very comfortable fabric. I feel like this dress fits me like a glove. I love the bust area, the silhouette. It is a very romantic dress, so that's not like a casual dress. It's more like for when you go, you know, for dinner, date night, and whatever. Another thing I want to mention is that this dress is lined. There's no way that the dress can be see-through, which I really love because I don't like dresses that are see-through. I have this dress in size medium, so runs true to size. Every nook, bump, and cranny is being hugged though. So yeah, that's definitely a dress where you have to keep your belly sucked in, but it's worth it. What can I say? Delicate, dreamy, and dipped in sugar. What do you guys think? Is this dress hot or not? Vaba-boom vibes. Definitely. I love it. I really do. Let's see, what do we have next? Ooh, here's the next dress. A red dress for summer? Count me in. Why not? It's quite mini, so I thought it's nice to include not just long dresses, but mini ones as well. Looks like a lovely dress. What can I say? Basically, this is a vivid, even, off-shoulder, ruffle trim, red dress. Okay, so this red dress, it comes in a couple of more different colors, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna grab a red one because I don't really own anything in red much. And it has a decent amount of positive reviews. Let's read them. So someone who also has this dress in red gave the dress 5 stars and says, I love these dresses, so flattering and lightweight, perfect for holidays. I do believe that it would be a perfect dress for some vacation. Next, someone just gave the dress 1 star and oh, smell description. Sad emoji, very sad emoji. Just because that it smelled bad, you gave the dress 1 star? You can always wash it. Let me test it out. The usual manufacturer's smell. It passed the smell test. Anyway, let me go ahead and put her on. See how she looks. Ta-da! Oops! I feel like a doll. Is that the right way to say that? A dolly dress? It's a really dolly dress. Oh my goodness. It's so comfortable. At first, I got a little bit scared because then I tried to get into the dress. I thought I'm not gonna make it because of the waist. It is an elastic waist, but it was quite challenging to get into the dress though. Although now that I have it on, I can safely say that it runs true to size. I have it in size medium, and I do feel like this is my size. I assume it is an off-shoulder dress, but if you want, you can wear it like that, but I just don't think this is flattering. Now that I have it off like that, I feel more like me. I think that the dress looks dainty and feminine, and I wasn't expecting the dress to fit anywhere as nice as it does. I think it looks super cute with these wedges. Yeah, I'm not gonna speak about any pros and cons because I only see good things about this dress. The only thing I can think of is that it's quite short, but you can sort it out wearing some bike shorts underneath, and that's it. I see myself wearing this dress in some Italy, walking down the street, walking down the alley. The wind is blowing at me, sipping wine. Yeah. All I'm missing right now is a nice tan. I don't know if the dress is see-through though. It's not like the thickest fabric, but I don't think it's see-through. Also, I love all the beautiful little flowers scattered all over the dress. It's just so feminine, romantic, pretty, and girly. This is definitely my cup of tea. This dress is hitting all the sweet spots. So, do you think this dress is hot or not? Okay, moving on to the next dress. Well, hello there. Oh, wow. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, a dress like this would look really nice then you have a tan on. Well, all of the dresses probably, but whatever. It's always nice to have a tan on. Yeah, that would be a perfect dress for a beach though. I love this off-shoulder style. These neutral colors, they simply go with everything. Okay, so she's called Breezaya. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not gonna pretend I do. Summer vacation, casual off-shoulder split leaf print dress. That's probably the first time Shein uses such simple, uncomplicated titles. Yeah, so I have this in black and beige, but it comes in way many more different prints and colors. And yeah, over 1,000 people purchased the dress. It has a very good rating, 4.91. Ooh! Let's see what people have to say about you. Someone who gave the dress 5 stars says, I bought this for my mom. She's very happy. She liked it so much and it suits very well. I would totally recommend it. She's 5'2", almost, and 60 kilograms. Ooh, and look at her mama. She is rocking this dress. She looks so nice. Yet, here we go. We have a 1-star review. And it says, I didn't like it. Not the same as the picture. I looked like a potato, but the blue one. Are potatoes blue? Yeah, sucks to be a potato. Anyway, I don't think I will look like a sack of potatoes or a potato itself. You never know until you put it on, right? So let's chit chat. Let me go ahead, put her on and see if she's hot or not. All right, and yet here she is. Here's the front, the side, and the back. I really love the slit. It's so flattering. First things first, this dress is a jackpot. There's a reason why so many people like this dress. I love that dresses like this, you can dress them up or down. There's no right or wrong. I have her in size medium. I would say it runs true to size. I feel like everything is in its place as it should be. It's an easy breezy dress. I love the colors. You can take a dress like this to any destination. The only thing is that the dress might be just a little bit see-through, so something to keep in mind. There's nothing bad that I can say about this dress. Usually I say pros and cons, but since I cannot find any cons, I'm just not gonna say any. Absolutely stunning, okay? You know what? It's giving rich auntie energy and I'm here for it. Do you think this dress is hot or not? Let me know. Yeah. Okay, enough. We've got more dresses to try on, so. Woo! Ooh, look at all the details in the back, all the lace. She's beautiful. I don't know about you, but I love flowers, and I love anything that comes in flower print. Okay, so she does look a little bit different from the product picture though. That's no biggie, that's all right. And yeah, it comes in a couple of more different prints and colors. Over 1,000 people purchased the dress. It has a decent amount of positive reviews, and now let's get into them. Let's see what people have to say about you. Someone who gave the dress 5 stars says, such a beautiful dress. Needs assistance to tighten the bag, but worth it. Really flattering. Oh, it does look really flattering. I am actually very excited about this dress. All right, then there's, as always, someone who gave the dress 1 star and says the dress feels like plastic. I don't understand. Where do you feel plastic here? You know what? Let me go ahead, pop her on, and see how she looks. Okay, I feel like I just escaped from some secret garden. Look at her! Here's the front, the side, and the back. First things first, the dress feels very, very light, which is a good thing, especially if you're on vacation somewhere hot and humid, then I think that would be a nice dress. Another thing is, I think it's gonna be very easy to steam a dress like this. I love the print so much. All the flowers, roses and whatnot. I feel like a rose myself. Another thing I really love about this dress is the back. I really love this lace back design. It's just so flattering, isn't it? Although there is something I'm not really a huge fan of. And something that I'm missing, adjustable straps. Why, you may ask? It's because that I feel like the bust is a little bit too high and I would love to have an opportunity to readjust it. Like adjustable straps in any tops and dresses, for me personally, it's a must. And this dress is sadly missing that. Also, just because of a very thin fabric, this dress might be slightly see-through, but I think nothing is showing up, so it is a really, really nice summery dress. I think a dress like this should be really nice for garden parties, baby showers, or even as a wedding guest dress. I also really like the slit. I think it's a good feature to have. I have a feeling I'm gonna get on with this dress quite well. And that comment that the dress feels like plastic, I don't agree. I don't feel the dress at all. That's the thing. And I think that's a good thing. It's very, very light. And it's just perfect for a hot summer day. What do you guys think? Is this dress hot or not? And in the meantime, I'm gonna move to another dress. Let's get the next dress into the spotlight. Okay. It's literally simple white dress that just has this floral pink print on it, but it just instantly changes the whole look, right? It's so pretty. I can envision myself wearing a dress like this to somewhere tropical. So this one is called Romantic Floral Print Sheer Mesh Dress. It comes in a couple of more different prints and colors. It has a decent amount of positive reviews. And let's see how people rate it too. Someone who gave the dress 5 stars says, amazing, such a good quality, so pretty, got so many compliments, perfect length. And oh my god, she's the vision. That dress was made for you, girl. Now, there's someone who gave the dress 1 star and says, color of the flowers is not like in the pictures. I don't know why I made that noise, I'm sorry. Here are the flowers on the dress, and how does the picture look like? Okay, yeah, maybe just a little bit different, but I don't see where's the problem here. Anyway, there's something I want to show you. When I saw this dress, I thought it would be really nice to get myself matching shoes. So I have some matching shoes with this dress. Let's unpack them. Ooh, that's a strong smell. Wow, so cute. Here are the shoes. And I thought it should be really nice to match them with this dress. But in case you like these shoes, I'm also gonna quickly read the reviews. So these are just simply elegant square toe slip-on shoes. And someone who gave the shoes 5 stars says, so pretty, OMG. Okay, so message received. You did like your shoes. And then there's someone who gave the shoes 1 star and says, extremely wide and extremely cheap. Don't listen. I'm gonna put my judging hat on and decide if you're extremely wide and extremely cheap. Anyway, let's see if that's a match made in heaven or not. Okay, now, this dress was sculpted by the dress gods. Body Yachty approved! Look at her! First things first, I'm 172 centimeters tall and I think that this dress is quite long. That's not the dress for petites, I think. For someone as tall as I am, I think this dress got you covered, girl. I love all the flowers and I love the silhouette and style of this dress. It's just so romantic and feminine. I think that would be a really nice dress for a date night, dinner, I don't know, somewhere nice, somewhere warm. Another thing that I really like about the dress is that it's lined. Thanks God it's lined. You know those dresses that are also lined, but they are very like short. They end here and then the mesh drops to the bottom. I'm not a huge fan of those dresses though. I love that the lining is at the same length as the actual dress, if that makes any sense. Another thing I want to say about the dress though that I'm not a huge fan of. I'm not a huge fan how the dress makes me feel constricted. There's not a lot of movement, if you know what I mean. Like, that's it. That's the most I can make. And I do big steps. I don't know, it's just in my nature. If there's a special occasion, I can wear a dress like this for a couple of hours and walk like this. It's fine, you know. It's not the comfiest dress that I put on, but it's nice. Oh, and another one.
Another one.
And another one. I have this dress in size medium, so this dress runs true to size. Go with your usual size, you should be all right. I do like the dress, it's just that I don't love it. Just because that I don't think I can make the most of it. Speaking about the shoes, I'm obsessed how they simply match this dress. It's literally a match made in heaven. So I do have them in my size, the right size. It's just that they aren't really comfortable. So not the most comfy shoes. It kind of hurts where the flowers are. I don't know why, but it just hurts for some reason. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to block heels. I feel more steady. This one it's thin and it's like, I don't know, it's just not steady. So just to simplify and wrap it up everything, I'm obsessed with the dress and the shoes by the way they look, but not how they feel. Because the dress feels constricted and the shoes, they aren't really comfy. Yeah, but I think a dress like this with these shoes would work perfectly for some pictures. So yeah, I can totally do some pictures. Or wear an outfit like this for like a couple of hours where I'm not required to move a lot. But it's not the most practical dress, nor the shoes. I'm gonna leave it for you to decide. Do you think this dress and outfit is hot or not? Let me know. Do you think this dress hot or not? I think he likes the dress. Should I keep the dress? We can dance together in a dress like this. Alright guys, let me know which dresses do you think are hot or not. In case you spotted something you like, everything will be linked down below. I really hope that you enjoy watching videos like this. If so, please give it a like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And yeah, let me know what would you like to see more of. That would really help me. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!